खलनायक फिल्मों में तब भी लोग डरते थे, आज भी डरते हैं। सिर्फ उस रोल को प्ले करने वाले कलाकार को सराहते हैं, खलनायकी को नहीं। और खलनायकी को कभी सराहना भी नहीं चाहिए, अदरवाइज दैट विल बी डेंजरस, दैट विल बी रॉन्ग। विलन, बैडमैन, खलनायकी जिस प्रकार से कलाकार करते हैं उसे लोग अप्रिशिएट करते हैं। समय के साथ साथ राइटिंग बदलती है, फिल्म मेकिंग बदलती है, रोल्स बदलते हैं, रोल करने वाले बदलते हैं। मैं ग्रेटफुल हूँ गॉड का कि आज 40 साल से वही मजबूत और भी ज़्यादा मजबूत लोगों के मनोरंजन के लिए फिल्मों में हूँ खड़ा।
सर, आपके मुंह से वो आपका एक फेमस डायलॉग
बैडमैन, प्लेइंग द बैडमैन, getting love and affection of the audiences, appreciation from the audience for so many years. I'm grateful to the audiences for sort of giving me validation, affection, appreciation for over 40 years. Today, when I arrived here in Goa this early morning, the fragrance of cinema, people of cinema, as I entered the hotel, as I entered this whole area, filmmakers, talent, film supporters, film appreciators, film viewers, government of India, people who are supporting the film, people from NFDC, people from INB ministry, everybody who's here. It's like, it felt like a celebration of cinema. And thanks to IFFI for creating this atmosphere and creating this celebration of cinema each year. I had the great privilege of coming to IFFI many years back with my film I Am Kalam, for which I was nominated for National Award of India, and the kid got the best actor, And so today, after many years, I've come here, and I'm very, very happy to be here and to be seeing this. Before coming to the red carpet, I came quite literally an hour earlier, and I said I want to drive around and see. And I drove around to various venues. In fact, went to Kala Academy, to the empty hall to see it. Went here, there, everywhere. So I'm really, really, IFFI is doing a great job of celebrating cinema, inviting filmmakers from around the world. Earlier, what they saw on screen, they believed. The audiences disliked us, hated us for doing that. Over the years, they've started to differentiate between the actor who's playing it and the part that actor has played. They hate that part, but they sort of have slowly started to appreciate the actor who has done that part, and differentiating that the person may not necessarily be bad like this. I won't say 100% people believe that, that'll never happen, that should not happen. But people really have started to appreciate the acting. And I'm very, very grateful once again that, for over 40 years, my fans, cinema goers, cinema lovers, filmmakers have loved my work and continuously showered me with blessings.